Hello, this is Derek with Weingartz, and today we're going to walk through how to start and operate the Billy Goat Lawn and Litter Vacuum. The specific model we have here today is the MV601SPE, featuring electric start and self-propelled. This is powered by a 190cc Briggs Stratton Professional Series engine and features a 29-inch wide intake nozzle to efficiently collect leaves, debris, and litter. The self-propelled drive makes it easy to handle, and the adjustable nozzle lets you adapt to different surfaces. The large rear mesh bag holds up to 40 gallons of material, and the optional hose kit can help with tight corners or flower beds. So how this all works, there's a heavy-duty 7-point metal impeller in the center here. Once you start the engine, that impeller is going to start to spin, and it's going to start to suck the leaves of the debris. First, you want to make sure that we're about a 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch above the surface level. And then as those leaves or debris get sucked up, it's going to go into that metal impeller and get shredded up or mulched up and get sucked up through this tube down into the bag. Once that bag is about 3/4 of the way full, it is best to make sure you dump that out in the waste bin or the back in the woods, wherever you plan to dump the waste. Now, before starting, make sure the vacuum is on a flat, level surface. First, you want to check the fuel level and ensure you're using fresh, unleaded gas. Next, check the oil level using the dipstick. The oil should be at the full mark. Now, make sure the bag is secure and adjust the nozzle for your working surface. Now, to start the Billy Goat Lawn and Leaf Litter Vacuum, move the throttle to about the halfway position for a cold start. Ensure the self-propelled drive lever is not engaged. Now you can pull the recoil starter handle firmly, or this model is engaged with the electric start option, so you can pull up on the toggle switch and push it forward until the engine starts. Once the engine starts, move the choke lever to the running position that you wish to operate the machine at. To move forward, simply squeeze the drive lever on the handlebar. On the right-hand side, there'll be a speed lever labeled 1, 2, and 3. This will control the speed of how fast the machine moves. The throttle for the machine itself will control the power of the engine or how much you're sucking up. When operating, walk at a steady pace, allowing the vacuum to lift debris efficiently. Overlap your passes slightly for a full pickup coverage. Avoid large sticks, rocks, or wet leaves that may clog the nozzle. For best performance, empty the collection bag when it's about 3/4 full. Use the height adjustment lever to raise the nozzle for rough terrain and lower it for smooth surfaces like the pavement. Once again, it is best to be about 1/2 of an inch to 3/4 of an inch above the surface level. Before emptying the bag, always turn the engine off and wait for the moving parts to stop. Release the rear latch and tilt the bag back to empty it. Make sure to reattach the bag securely before restarting the engine. There is a switch up front to where if the bag isn't reattached securely, the engine will not start properly. After each use, be sure to clean the debris from the nozzle and impeller housing. Check the oil level regularly and top off if needed. For seasonal storage, drain or stabilize the fuel and store your unit in a clean, dry area. And that's the starting and operation procedure for your Billy Goat Lawn and Leaf Litter Vacuum. For more how-to videos, please visit our YouTube channel or Weingartz.com. And always, feel free to stop by any of our store locations. Thank you and have a great day.
Weingartz, everything.